besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi, and I have some stuff in front of me. I thought we'd talk about it a little bit. I've also got one thing over here that's already in the place that it's going to live in, okay? And it's kind of the big piece of the show, so we're gonna hold on to that for just a second. But I do have some nail mail in front of me. So I thought we would crack into this stuff and have a really, really good time. Part of it is some things that I purchased for my collection. And some of it is a present that was sent to me by a friend. A crazy, generous friend who I am very grateful loved me enough to send me these things. So I'm going to go ahead and point you down, and we may or may not come back face to face at the end. I don't know. But before we do that, if you've not, if you don't watch Nikki tutorials or know who she is, she put up a very brave video today that she was forced to put up, frankly. And I just want to say, wow, I'm A, blown away, had no idea. B, just blown away, because I can't believe that somebody would be so cruel, and that Nikki responded with such grace and dignity and bravery, and I applaud her. So let's go ahead and get to the nail mail. Okay, guys, it's so hard for me to know what order to go in, but we are going to go through the things my friend bought me first, and then move on to the things that I bought. There you go. I'm going to start with this gorgeous polish. It is a Model 1's 9D Galaxy polish, and she also sent me one of the cool little magnets. Guys, wow, magnets. And it is, oh, do you see? Oh my goodness. Guys, this video would be a million years long if I did swatching as well, so we are not going to do that. We will play with all of these products at various times on the channel, and that's just how that's going to go, okay? We will get to swatching, okay? Maybe I will do a dedicated swatch video, because we are going to have like 11 colors. So we're going to unbox today. I will do a swatching video after I do my nails. Deal? Deal. Then we've also got this Model 1's gel polish in black, and it looks really creamy. This one feels super, super thick, but this one feels a little thinner and creamy. She also got me this Model 1's foil glue, foil glue gel, which is just clear. But ooh, nice and thick, nice and thick. Not like base coat level thick, but nice and thick. And these foils to go with it. You know we gonna play with that. Mama loves some foil. My toes are gonna be so pretty. I love foil on my toes because it's so easy. Now, I have never actually heard of this brand. She sent me 3 of them, and I'm excited to try them. They come with the polish and the gel, so I don't really put gel on my toes, so that's going to be fun for my toes. And I can do some, I'm not really matchy-matchy, but you know what? We could try some stuff, right? Okay, now we're going to get to the thing that she got me that, like all the rest of this stuff, is just like, aw, girl, shut up. You are so sweet. And then this is, girl, what were you thinking? I can't believe you did this. And I'm not unboxing because I've already unboxed it. Frankly, I've already played with it. I could not stop myself, okay? But she got me this. Oh my God. And you know I adore you. Thank you so much for getting me this. They came in all the boxes. I unboxed I know you've seen a million of these unboxing videos. If you need one and you haven't seen it, may I recommend Nailed by Nikki. I'm positive she's done one of these. I am going to review it, though, later on as I play with it, but I have a little bit. Oh, my God, you guys. It's like a dream. It's like a dream, okay? So, oh, I do have a little drill. We've talked about it. Not great. It was like 20 bucks. And this is like a whole nother level. And I know that a professional drill probably is even better. So, future goals, future goals. So, and there's so much information in here. So if you get one of these, make sure you take the time to read it. Don't be I don't read instructions chick, okay? Because knowledge is power. There, that's my whole speech for the day. Okay, so friend of mine, thank you so much for that lovely present. You rock out loud. Now let's get to the present I bought myself. Okay, let's start with the crystals. I got 6 different packs of crystals. These were all on sale at Joann's. So if you're looking for crystals, I found nothing on sale when I went into the store. And if you go when, like, I talked about this in another video, the Christmas sale was so bad because they put all of the ones that were on sale originally back up to the regular price and then called the regular price a doorbuster price. So watch out with Joann's on pricing. Okay, that's all I'm saying. And shop online for the crystals because that's where you're going to get a deal. Or at least in my experience. This one is called, they all had different names on the website, but on here they seem to all have the same name. And they're called Cirrus Flatback, and they're not giving me the color name. So I'm going to have to look those up online, okay? But we've got this color, which on camera it's showing up more. There you go. It's a little reddy with like a blue shift. In person, it's definitely showing up a different color. This one in person is more like a deep purpley red to blue shift in person. Maybe if I take them out. Now this one's showing up on camera much more true. It's got the blue to that really cool orangey shift. Oh, these are so beautiful. And this is a green to blue shift, and you are definitely seeing this one very true to color. Then this one has got opal, and I forget the other color that's in there. And then this is rose and ruby. So oh guys, you know Mama gonna have some gem nails. Now for this next bit, I am going to want to do some stirring because we got these. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, you know I have one of the color sets, but this is one of the glitter sets, okay? And I am super jazzed. Super, super jazzed. And like most of these little sets that you get from Model 1s, it comes with a lovely brush. This one, instead of being in the other set I got, it was this brush, which I hate this brush. It is ridiculous, you guys. But, sorry, Model 1s. Love the gels, which is the point. So I'm hoping that this... I'm already thinking I might like this brush a little better, although when it was put in, it was... Oh, you're not seeing that. It was a little damaged. So, I'm not going to put that back on there. Okay, so let's pop these open. Now, full disclosure. I did open this green one. I've not stirred it or anything, though. I just had to see what one of them looked like, you guys. Oh, my God. I couldn't wait. Oh, I forgot to show you one of the things my friend got me. Look at these cute butterflies. You know I'm going to encapsulate those. You know it. Okay. Ah! Look at that, you guys. Look at how pretty. Let's go ahead and just give that a little stir so you can see how pretty. How pretty. I'm just going to get a little tissue here and wipe this off. Sorry, I could have been a little more prepared. This is scintillating video. Oh, Gigi, what great videos you make. I know, right, you guys? Right? Okay, so that's a green and pink one, and the number on that is 10. It's number 10. This one is number 11, and it is a purpley one from the lid, I'm going to say. Purpley. Oh, my gosh. Oh, you guys. Oh, crap. That is freaking gorgeous. Oh. Oh, wow. I am losing my freaking mind right now. That is beyond gorgeous. Oh. Y'all. Y'all. Are you seeing that? Okay. That was a little overreacting, right? Right? Okay, maybe. Maybe a little. Come on, y'all. Oh, this is straight hollow, y'all. Oh my God. That is not actually what I was expecting from this lid, right? Is it to be straight silver hollow? Oh my gosh. This is Christine's dream right here. And I am going to scrape these off later, off camera. I'm not going to make y'all watch me, okay? But know that I will scrape them off, okay? Guys, ah! These are hollow unicorn dreams right here. It's like tears of a unicorn in here, right? Oh my goodness. This is, I'm so excited. The nails I will create with these, you guys. And you know, Mama's about to do her own nails. Oh, gold hollow. Oh, you guys. All right, I'm gonna stop saying you guys. I'm gonna stop that right now. Right now, y'all. Oh, gold hollow. I have been needing this in my life. You guys do not know how much I've been needing this in my life right now. Oh, my heart. Be still, my little heart. I'm not going to cut anything out of this video, you guys. You're just going to have to deal with the real Gigi, the whole Gigi. Well, actually, not the whole Gigi, because I try really hard not to curse on this channel. And your girl loves to curse. This is very rose gold hollow. Guys, oh, I was on the fence about which thing to get. I am so glad this is the one I picked. Oh, look at that, y'all. Shiznitzzles. Okay, this one is going to freak me out when I open it. I feel like this one is literally going to freak me out when I open it. Look at the lid. Oh, okay, all right. All right, let's get ready. Let's get ready for this. Oh, crap. Y'all. Y'all. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, this color. Oh, this color. Oh, I knew it was going to freak me out. It is so beautiful. Oh, Model 1s. I'm telling you, you just gave me so much happiness and joy. And Model 1s is also going to be giving one of you guys so much joy, because I have a second kit right here. And this is going in the 100 subscriber giveaway, as well as some of the crystals from each one of these packs. I'm going to put together a special little pack of crystals just for the winner. I am also going to put together some glitter mixes that are custom just for you. And now that we've got some of this, I'm sure my friend would love it if I put some of those in one of those as well. And I've got some poppets that I'm going to throw in there. And I don't even know what else, because I don't know how much longer it's going to take to get to 100 subscribers. And as I see things, I'm going to throw stuff in there. So for sure, the 100 subscriber giveaway is going to include one of these kits. This is not sponsored by Model 1s, by the way. I bought this. I paid for this for you guys. This is for you guys. I'm going to cry right now because you guys are so great. I'm so grateful that you guys are part of this channel with me, and that we are building this awesome community of nail lovers, and that we are going to make something awesome here. I know we are. And so this is just one tiny way that I can try to give back to you guys for giving me the support that you've given me on this channel. So get ready for what I hope, even though it's a small giveaway and it's for a small milestone, it is huge in my mind. To even be giving, to even be to the point where I'm thinking of doing a giveaway, that's mind-boggling to me. So just know how grateful I am to have you guys here. Let me just remind you of these beautiful colors, because I'm freaking out. Like, I am seriously just so happy right now with these. I can't wait to create. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, for being part of this channel, for helping me grow this community. And for one of you lucky viewers, subscribers, you have to be subscribed. We'll figure out the rest of it later. For one of you, an awesome Model 1s package of stuff and some Swarovskis and whatever else I can come up with. So thank you guys so much. Oh my God, I love you guys. You're the best.